This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jinx Bright. Amazing property with endless options. 5 apartments plus a large commercial workshop and yard. Plenty of off-road parking. All the apartments have separate entrances. Apt 1 is a 2-bed, 1-bath with living room, dining room and kitchen. Apt 2 is an efficiency with a large living room/bedroom, a kitchen area, and a bathroom. Apt 3 is a 1-bed, 1-bath with living room and kitchen. Apt 4 is a 2-bed, 1-bath with living room, utility room, kitchen and a screened-in porch. Apt 5 is a 1-bed, 1-bath with living room and kitchen. The workshop main area measures 30 by 23 by 15 high. There is an office 8 by 10, half bathroom, and upper floor level storage space. Second level loft is large enough to fit a lift for commercial vehicles. The property is zoned WP1 Residential Professional, Industrial. The current owners used to run a parking lot paving and sweeper business. Large work yard for storage, maintenance, supply lay down area. For more information, review the details below.